the content you choose for your mural in relation to the environment has to be in context to the environment that it's in. You have to create pieces that somewhat relates to the community that it's placed in right there.
ComEd wanted two things. They wanted to reflect the history of Bronzeville since it's going to be in this area, but they also wanted to look towards the future of Bronzeville. The best way to create this piece was to put it in a timeline format.
Because what it's going to do for young and old people is educate them about the richness of the neighborhood and also help them to realize the sacred ground that they are in.
And this also is going to be augmented for virtual reality.
You can use your smartphone, your Android or iPhone, and download our free mobile app and scan the mural with your phone to see it animated as well as play with other interactive features on the mural.
On my end of the mural, I took on the composition a bit different. It was more of about space, tranquility, and storytelling that speaks to the future of the community and humanity right there. And what I mean by the future of it is the effects of climate change on humanity in the world.
I am very excited about what this mural can do for the public conscious and the public's responsibility for climate change and global warming.
Climate change is also a social justice issue. This will impact our future generations and our children. So we now have this other context that we have to work within and challenges to face.
With this mural, it's going to touch generations to come because the mural will stand and be here for quite some time. But it'll also help the young people understand what's important in life and how to be a part of something that is positive.
And it was cool to work with, students that have, a great amount of talent and ambition, and being able to not only have them have a hand in helping with the mural itself, but being able to see their portfolios and give feedback. I'm hoping it's a mural that stays in favor of the community. I'm hoping it's something that still inspires years from now, generations from now even.
It comes a time where, somebody else has to step in to give the artist a wider voice, a wider audience, and a wider reach right there. And a lot of times having a company with the size and the impact and power and reach of ComEd can help as far as giving the artist that reach and that voice right there.
We have different companies and organizations, like ComEd, that comes into play. It's appreciated because it gives us a signal that they not only value what we do, but they believe that it's worth, what they invest into it.
This is just one block, but just this one block, you can see a transformation. So if we can continue transformations like these throughout the community, ComEd is on the cusp of a movement of uplifting murals throughout Bronzeville.